What's up, guys? I just got a ladder for the back of the van, so I'm gonna build that right now. I think all I really need to do is just put this ladder together and then I can mount it onto the van. That's it. Comes with all the parts you need. You just need a couple tools. We got the ladder. Now we just need to mount it. Turn it straight.
Look straight.
There it is, guys. Installed, pretty easy. Yeah, nice and solid. This is the ladder is from Van Tech. It was $269. Solid. I like it. It's good. So I'm gonna get this roof rack built right now. And there you go, guys. I have pretty much put together the roof rack. It's in 3 pieces right now, and we just put it up there. The instruction says to put it up there one at a time and then basically connect it up there. And you can see here that I have a big gap here and in the back, and that's because I have those 2 MaxxAir fans up there. I measured it out, so hopefully the fans fit in these openings that I made. And what's good about this roof rack is it has multiple holes, and I can choose where to put these crossbars. I got this roof rack from Van Tech, just same website that I got the ladder from, and it seems very well made, and it was easy to put together. So now I just got to get it up there. My buddy Danny is coming over, and he's gonna help me lift it up onto the van. So I also bought this right here from Van Tech, and that allows you to put the roof rack on it. So it's just a rail. It goes all the way across from front all the way to the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all just need to tighten down. Look out! Look out! Boxes fly! And with that last screw, ladies and gentlemen, the roof rack is complete. And check it out. Look at how perfect this is right here. Open it up. And it just fits. So the fan can still open completely. And look at the sky, it's about to start raining too, just in time. Whew. Glad I got it done with the help of Danny. Yes, sir. Whew. Haven't seen hail in so long. What the heck? Just randomly started right now. Well, when I started recording. Oh my god. Oh, they're kind of... Oh, there it goes. It's melting. Look at that, that's hail. Pretty good one. Icy. Alright, looks like the hail passed. That was pretty weird. Get back to work. Let me tell you what I'm working on right now. I'm getting ready to put the ceiling in. So I had these 2. I had this guy, and I kind of just put it by the fan, measuring out how many would fit between the fan, and actually it's 2 of them almost perfectly right in between the fan, and then the long ones that are gonna go right here on the side of the fan. I'm just gonna have to trim it a little bit with the jigsaw, and it'll fit perfectly on there. There's some leftover hail. They're like little pellets.
This is gonna be where the window nook is going. Or not the window nook, just where the nook's going. To give Taco about 3 more inches of space. And just go right there.
I just drilled out this little circle right here. It doesn't go all the way through. This is the ceiling, and I'm gonna drop a magnet right in there. And that magnet that's right here is gonna just mount up on the ceiling like that. And we'll have a magnet right here. And that'll come into play later. You'll see. You'll see. And basically this thing will go right here. Yeah, just like that. We'll just have to trim off the height of this thing so it matches the ceiling. Yeah. And we're going to do the same thing with the other side. We'll leave a little bit of a gap, and it should just fit perfectly. And this little gap right here going down the van looks pretty nice anyways. There we go. That's for the lights. And just one single, no, in the middle. Yeah. Yep, just leave that there. I gotta adjust this size still. That is just over 1/2 inch. And this is...
It's good?
Okay. Try the back. Well, it's not really fitting properly.
I guess I see what you mean. So it does need to move a little. Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah, I gotta move it over just a tad. Just gotta pull it off. If I hold this up, pull it off. Alright, let's try again.
The problem is now there's a gap.
I know, for some reason this one is shorter. So you have to do like barely, just like that. That goes in.
Yep.
Pretty much. We can even sand it down too, sand this wood down if it's swelling too much. But that looks pretty good. Alright, let's nail everything down. Check it out, check it out. Got most of the ceiling in now. And you can see the wires hanging out where the lights will go. I think I'll put that in next. Or actually after Jocelyn paints it. She's gonna paint this. Because this is just a primer. Needs some painting. We're painting it after because, you know, with these the nail holes. So we can paint over that and, you know, cover that up too at the same time. So you can see that it's symmetrical, right? We got the big gap here, and in here a small gap here. These shiplaps we use for the ceiling ended up being unintentionally perfect. It goes from one edge to the other edge on the ceiling, like almost perfectly. And we have this gap right here on the wall still, but no worries, we'll cover that up somehow. But the ceiling is was a perfect width. With these, I think these were 8-inch shiplaps. Right here. It's echoing.
Oh yeah, up here especially.
Yeah. It's echoey. Put 2 extra lights. This is gonna be like the stove right here. Looking good, looking good. We are making some good progress. Soon we'll be ready to, boom, take it out on the road.
Maybe we'll be done by the end of March.
I don't think we'll be done, but we'll be... Hopefully we can get the bed in. Good work.
Oh my god, are you right?
I gotta get used to that. I try to do it like this. Jab my fingers.